Do we do it ourselves and get our hands dirty, getting a little experience and skills under our belt, or do we let somebody else do it? Definitely gonna do it ourselves.
D.I.Y. with JacQ.
Well, good morning. This is JacQ. Of course, it's about that time again. Something else is broken. And the wonderful thing is about having houses is we have so many projects to do. And you're responsible for taking care of your home. It's all worth it, young people. Don't be afraid about it. So this is the new task that we're going to tackle today. Let me show you. This is our new task for today. Voila. See, can I let you see how big or what we have to tackle? This is the driveway. We have to tackle this bad boy right here. Okay, so I put my shoe in there so you can see like a perspective of how big it is. Get a little understanding of what we're working with. Now, hopefully I don't fall down in here to get my shoe, but it's pretty deep. So that's what we're gonna be tackling today. The wonderful hole in the driveway. And now after 17 bags of 50-pound Quickcrete and 9 bags of 80-pound Quickcrete, we are finally done. That was a job there. Look at that. 1,500 pounds of concrete that we did ourselves. That's a lot. So we're finally done. Now we're all done. It's dried. Y'all can go ahead and take the tape down. So we are officially done. It's dried. Maybe we'll drive on it if we're confident enough, but it's done. After probably a week later. Let it keep baking in the sun. Get your baby. Yeah, come on.